Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a platform that many people misunderstand. Think Pinterest is just for planning weddings or finding recipes. Think again. Pinterest is actually a massive visual search engine. And if you have a blog, an online store, or any kind of brand, it can be a total game changer for driving consistent, long-term traffic. Unlike other platforms where your content disappears in hours, a good pin can send you visitors for months or even years. Ready to unlock this potential? Let's get started. First things first, you need a Pinterest business account. If you have a personal one, you can convert it, or you can start fresh. It's free and gives you access to crucial analytics. Once you're set up, it's time to optimize your profile. Your username should be your brand or blog name. For your profile picture, use a clear headshot or your logo. And your bio is prime real estate. Don't just say what you do. Pack it with keywords that your ideal customer would be searching for. Think like them. If you sell handmade jewelry, use terms like dainty gold necklace or boho beaded bracelets. This helps Pinterest understand who to show your profile to. Now, let's talk about the most important part, your content. On Pinterest, content means pins. The key is to create high quality, eye-catching, vertical images. The ideal size is a 2:3 ratio, like 1000 by 1500 pixels. This takes up the most space on the screen and grabs attention. You can use free tools like Canva, which has tons of Pinterest templates, but a pretty picture isn't enough. Just like Google, Pinterest runs on keywords. You need to use relevant keywords everywhere, in your pin titles, in your pin descriptions, and even on the names of the boards you save your pins to. Do a little research. Type a broad term into the Pinterest search bar and see what other suggested keywords pop up. Sprinkle those throughout your content to help people discover you. So you've got a great profile and beautiful, keyword-rich pins. What now? The secret to growth is consistency. You can't just post 20 pins one day and then go silent for a month. Aim to pin consistently every single day. This doesn't mean you have to create dozens of new images daily. You can repin your own popular content to different relevant boards. As you go, start diving into your Pinterest analytics. This is your treasure map. It will show you which of your pins are getting the most clicks and saves. This tells you exactly what your audience loves. Double down on what's working. If a certain style or topic is a hit, create more content like it. So, to recap for all you beginners, set up and optimize your business profile. Create stunning vertical pins loaded with keywords, pin consistently, and use your analytics to refine your strategy. It's a marathon, not a sprint, but the payoff of free, high-quality traffic is absolutely worth it. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.